This video is brought to you by the Kingston Bolt, the easy and effective way to back up all your iPhone photos and videos and free up storage on your iPhone. Check out the link in the video description to learn more. Yeah, box to unbox. Okay, so actually into the video. This is my new drone. Yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it and unbox it because I'm not what I show it. You're really excited. Okay. So, you can probably predict what it is because the box is this size. It's not a Mavic Air, it's not the Mavic, it's a DJI drone, it's small. We have the DJI SPARK this is the drone only and the battery, so I didn't get the controller in the fly more combo, but I will do in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Is there anything better than breaking these seals?
Yes.
A really good book.
Name one thing better than breaking a seal.
Literally.
Oh my god. Look at how tiny that case is. Okay, let's start with the non-fun stuff, which is this.
Professionally done. DJI branded plug.
Those are some tiny blades. Look at those little baby things. Okay, we've got 2 spare blades. Okay, right, let's get onto the drone itself because that's the actual exciting bit, so. Oh my god.
According to him.
Oh my god, okay. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. That's smaller than I expected. Okay.
Oh, and he broke it instantly. There we go, breaking news. TechFocus gets something new for 1 second, he breaks it in half.
I was initially gonna go for like a phantom drone, so I was looking at like the phantom drone, but the thing is they're so big, I can't. I was initially gonna go for a I was initially gonna go for a phantom drone, but the thing is the phantom drones are so big that it's actually kind of ridiculous to expect to carry one of those around and take it anywhere, so that's where this, it's a lot heavier than I thought. Feel how heavy that is. Put a hand out in front of it. There you go. It's heavier than you think, isn't it?
It's actually very nice.
It doesn't feel cheap. Okay,
That's your new jingle.
The thing is, this is only 1080p, but the compromise that I've got here is how small it is, so I'm willing to give up half the resolution.
So what happened then? Tell the audience, tell your friends.
Battery's dead, so we can't review it yet. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours since that unboxing little bit we did. I fully charged it, and yeah, let's roll the cinematic, which we're gonna do now. So guys, that's about all I'm going to do in today's video. It's just the quick first impressions of the DJI SPARK since I've had it, which is about 2 hours. So I'm going to go have a load of fun with this, and you'll probably see some cinematic videos in future videos, so future uploads. And there will be a full review coming for the 2018 experience with the DJI SPARK. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Drop a subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. The Kingston Bolt finally brings on-the-go storage to iPhones, allowing up to 128GB of external storage for all of your photos and videos from your iPhone. With easy storage of files and transfers to and from the drive and the computer, the Bolt is the perfect solution for portable iPhone backups. Check out my full review in the top corner or the link in the video description to find out more.